Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to use Microsoft Word's Read Aloud feature on desktop. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Do you enjoy having your favorite passage of scripture, novel, recipe, or the latest news read aloud to you while you are doing other things? With the help of text-to-speech technology, this can easily be done. In fact, you can have Microsoft Edge read aloud to you in male, female, American, or British accent among others. So in this video, I will show you how to use the read aloud feature on your Microsoft Word. So it's so simple. So first of all, you can open your Word. You can open the file or document that you want to read aloud. So here's, I want to read aloud this text in this document. Now you can go to review on the menu ribbon in here, and you'll find there is an option read loud. You can just click on that.
History. Breed creation. Short-legged cats have been documented a number of times around the world since the 19.
If you want to pause, you can just click on pause. And here, if you want to play, you can click on play.
1940s. A British veterinary report in 1944 noted 4 generations of short-legged cats which were similar to normal cats.
It's so cool, right? And if you want to change the reading speed, you can click on the gear icon in here. You can adjust the reading speed. If you want to make it slower, you can just slide it to left.
For the length of the legs.
If you want to make it faster, you can slide to the right.
This line disappeared during the Second World War, but other short-legged cats were spotted in Russia during 1956.
And you can also change the voice. You can select voice selection in here, but here's only one voice available in this Microsoft Word read aloud feature.
The United States in the 1970s one. In 1983, Sandra Hoekendel, a music teacher in Rayville, Louisiana, found 2 pregnant cat registry hit. The Munchkin.
It's so cool,
The
right? So if you want to stop this feature, you can just close it like this. So simple, right? So that is how to use Microsoft Word read aloud feature. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.